Vlogmas. And that's on. Period. And in today's video, I'm going to do my Christmas wish list. Right? So I have 10 things on my Christmas wish list that I'm probably going to get 2 things out of that list, and I'm probably going to buy them myself. But you know, I'm still going to tell you guys what's on my wish list. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing on my list, guys, I want a laptop. Just be more specific, I would love to have a MacBook, because I kind of have MacBook so I can do my editing for YouTube and stuff, and also when I go back to college, university, whichever one you want to call it. Okay, so yes, I would like MacBook. I'm going to insert picture here of the MacBook that I would like. Moving on to item number 2 on my wish list. I want a ring light. Well, it's in the process because I've been trying to get one, but the person don't got none. So I'm waiting patiently. So as soon as I get my ring light, I could film at any time of the day. Because I don't gotta wait on the sunlight. Right? Okay, I'm back. My storage got full. Y'all see why I need some new products? Y'all see why I need like a laptop or iPad or a new phone or something? I need more storage. This 32 gigabytes ain't working. Listen to what I just have to do. I just have to make my videos, upload them on Google Photos so I can clear space on the phone, then edit and upload again, delete, finish editing, put everything together, and delete whatever else is there. Right? Yeah, hold on, my phone's ringing. Give me a second. Item number 3 on the wish list, I would like an iPad. That's the alternative to the MacBook, so I can do my editing on. Because I do my editing on my phone. Mind you, I get it pretty well. It's cool. I just would like to have a bigger surface that I can work with. So, you know, I can give you guys better content, better quality. Even though the quality is not that bad, it's pretty good for iPhone 7 Plus. But, you know, I need to sharpen those editing skills. I need to get my editing up there. Right? So, this is what the iPad looks like. Oh, over there. It's over here. And, you know, I want to... So, moving on to item number 4. And you want to make a guess what it is? Do you? Guess. Well, if you guessed it, yes, it's another Apple product. Don't judge me. I like Apple. Anyways, it is an iPhone 12. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay? The 250 gigabytes. In the blue color. Well, I'm asking for too much. I know. Like, I already have an iPhone. Why need the next iPhone? But I need better quality to give you guys, you know? So with that camera on that phone, you guys can get much better quality than what you're getting now. Mind you, I try really hard to get this quality good, but it can be better. So why not upgrade so you can get the best content, right? And over here, we have a picture of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, on to item number five. A camera. If I don't get an iPhone, I can get a camera. I don't know what kind of camera. It could be Canon, Sony, something that's good for recording. I'm gonna insert a few pictures of cameras over here so you guys can see. But I'm not picky with the camera, to be very honest. As long as it records at high quality, right? Moving on. I'm not gonna stick on the camera because I don't know much about cameras. To item number 6, or is it gonna look like this on a video? Whichever way. Item number 6. Alright. Baking supplies! Because you know your girl once, well, I used to be a pastry chef. Still, well, I can't really say I'm a pastry chef, no, because that's not the job I'm doing. I do social media currently. So, I want some more baking supplies because I need a turntable, you know. No, not a DJ turntable. Turntable for the cake. I need an offset spatula and other little cool stuff. I have quite a bit of. Okay, guys, I'm back. Hopefully my phone isn't ringing again. And the person that called, if you're watching this video. Yeah. Anyways, last thing I was on was baking supplies. So I'll show you guys. I think I said that. Baking supplies that I need. Right? To number 7. Number 7. Lucky number 7. So, what I would like is a scholarship, my college funded. Guys, I'm gonna insert link for my GoFundMe page. So, I don't think I've ever said this on camera. I've gotten accepted into, drumroll, Le Cordon Bleu, blah, if they say it in French, blah, London for fall of 2021 to major in baking and pastry arts and minor in culinary management. Yeah. Yes, your girl's smart. She's smart. Oh! If y'all didn't know. You know now. Empty house. So yes, I got accepted into this school.
But of course, even though I worked and stuff, it's just a lot. Y'all go to college, know college is a lot. So, if you want to be nice enough and donate to my GoFundMe for my college funds, right here. The link is also in the description box below. Thank you in advance if you do donate, and if you don't, you can just help me out by sharing the link, which would be very nice of you.
On to number 8. So I would like to have some more makeup. I don't really do makeup, as you guys see. I'm very natural in this video. Natural hair, natural face. Oh, let's talk about the face. This turmeric soap. Guys, this turmeric soap. This works. Y'all need to get yourself some turmeric soap because it helps my face. It might help yours too. So I would like some makeup, preferably like eyeshadow. That's what's on my wish list. Some eyeshadow, some. I'm not even picky. I'm really not. Y'all want to see the eyeshadow palette I got? It's like 2 years old. This is Modern Renaissance and from Anastasia. Open it and show you guys. This is what it is. I don't use all of them. I mostly use the golds and the red. That's like the only look I know how to do because I don't really know how to do makeup that well.
And then I also have this from MAC. It's just gold's eyeshadow. It's pretty cool. I mainly use gold because it brings out my eyes, it pops my eyes, and I have brown eyes. So yeah. So I like an eyeshadow palette so I can try different looks, but I could probably even do some eyeshadow trying videos. So you guys can laugh at me attempting to do eyeshadow. Yeah. I really like lipstick, to be very honest. So it's eyeshadows and lip gloss. I like lip gloss. Yeah. Moving on to
Number 9. I have on my wish list shoes. It can be sneakers, Jordans. Let's just say that, Jordans. I love Jordans. Even though my love for Jordans is not as great as it used to be when I was younger, but it would be nice if I get some. If I don't, it's fine. Any other brand is cool. Or heels. I love heels. You guys know I model. Even though I haven't done that in like 2 months. Corona. Just stopping everything. Anyways. Yes, so heels. I love heels. I love thick heels, thin heels, platforms. Anyone's. As long as they're above 3 to 4 inches, because I can't walk in anything lower than that. I really can't. Some people say they can't walk in high heels. I can't walk in low heels. I feel like a newborn horse. I can't walk at a big. Right? So, yeah. Even sandals. I don't really wear sandals. Okay, I got the lighting back. Ish. So the last item on my list, item number 10, is perfume. And the one I want is over here, Scandal. I would like Scandal. It smells so good. Or even a Chanel maybe, but Scandal would be very nice. And like I said, guys, this is just my personal wish list. And I'm going to get myself at least 2 items on this wish list. The ring light for sure, and I'm not sure if the other one is yet. But when I do, you would see on Christmas Day what I got. So guys, for watching this video, I appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been giving me so far. Thank you for watching my videos. And I'll see you guys in day 6 Vlogmas video tomorrow. Remember guys, like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you can be the first to know when I post another video. And I'll be posting every day until the 25th of December for Vlogmas. And then after that, we'll be back to posting twice a week or once a week, depending on how busy I am, to be very honest, guys. But thanks again for watching, and see you soon. Bye.